Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to take these values and put it in tally marking, and also with these values we will learn how to draw a bar graph or histogram. So this is the values which we are provided with. So the question goes like this: a physiologist estimated the IQ of 60 children. Now from a frequency distribution having class interval of width 15. So we have the class interval width is 15, and also we have to locate the mode graphically. So to locate mode graphically we have to do histogram or bar graph. So we will learn one by one. So this is the IQ levels of the children, and this is the tally what we are going to do, and this is the number of children. So if you see here, I have highlighted two things. This is the smallest number from these values, and this is the larger number from these values. So I can also start from here 0 to 10, 10 to 20. We can do like this, but you have to remember one thing. They have given us the width as 15, and if my number or the value is starting from 43, so I can start from 40. So I will start from 40, width is 15. So 40 to 55, then 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100, 100 to 115, 115 to 130, 130 to 145, 145 to 160, because 153 is my last number. So now we will start the tally. So now what you have to see is from 40 to 45 how many values are here. So you just start from the starting and look how many values are there from 40 to 55. So I have found two values, that is here 143 and 54. So I have found two values. Now you have to do from 55 to 70. So I have looked into these values. I have found only one, that is 67. So now instead of finding like this, it is time consuming. So we will start from here. Now it is 103. So 103 comes in which row? 103 comes here. So 1. Now 98. So I am done with this. Now 98. 98 comes here. Then 87 here. 85. Now if you see here also 85, here also 85. So you should take this 85 in this. So 85, done with this. Now 96. 96 is in this one. Then 115 here. 115 here. 109 here in this. 127. So that will come in. 103 here. 95. So this becomes 5 now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is how 5. 95 here. Now 94 again over here. 123 and 88 in this one. 102, this one. 76 here. 73 in this. 80 here. So this is how you need to plot off everything. And now let us write the number of children. So here it's 2, here 1, 10, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here 5, 10, 15, 16 and 17. Here 5, 4, 9, then 1 and then 2. Now you need to find out the total number of children. That is 60. Even this is mentioned in the question also. Now I will teach you how to plot this into bar graph. I have already plotted the x-axis and the y-axis. X-axis I have taken from 40 to 55 because the question says as the width is from 15. So I have taken here like 1 centimeter is equal to 15 units, and here 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. So now we need to write the scale first. X-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 15 units, and x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. So whenever you draw a bar graph like this, you always have to write the scale first. So here if you see I've taken 40. So here I'll just leave like this, so that this, because even numbers can be even for this 40 also. So now if you see here, so here from 55 to 70 it's 1. So here from 55, 70, 1. Now from 70 to 85 it's 10. So from 70 to 85, 10. Plot like this. Now from 85 to 100, 18. So 85 to 100, 18. Now from 100 to 115, 17. So somewhere 17 is somewhere here. Now 115 to 130, 9. So 9 is over here. And then 130 to 145, 1. And then from 145 to 160 it's 2. So this is how you draw the bar or the histogram. So now you have to locate your mode in this. So you have to see which is the tallest bar in this. So the tallest bar is here. So now you have to draw a line from this end to your right side's bar's starting end point. Now from this end point to your this bar's ending point. So you have to draw a line like this. And now the intersecting point of both this line is over here. So this one you have to plot it like this. So this falls somewhere here, I guess. Yeah. So it's somewhere 98.5, somewhere like that. It's falling like that. So you just have to draw it with the help of scale. I'll just do it roughly. So this is my mode. This is how you need to draw it. So this will be your IQ. And this is your number of children. IQ and the number of children. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.